A super spy string is that which has equal number of uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Hello and welcome to Knowledge Circle everyone. Today we are going to see a Java program where we will input a string from user and we will check whether the string is super spy or not. So here we have a class with the name super spy, and then we click OK. After creation of class, we double click on the class, the code window gets open. Now we'll write the very first statement to take input from user, that is import java.util.scanner. Scanner class is imported in the program. Now we create the class superspy. The scope of the class begins. Inside the class we create the main function, and inside the main function we create the object of scanner class, scanner ob new scanner system.in. Then we create a variable of string type string s, which is used to store the string given by the user. And then we create two more variables, u and l. Here u and l will be initialized with 0. These variables are responsible to count the number of upper cases and lower cases. Then what we do next, we provide a message to the user that input a string. Whatever input is given by the user will be stored in the string variable s, and then we have to check each and every letter or character. So for that we run the for loop, and the loop begins from 0 and it goes up to the last character. That is what we have to run the loop lesser than the length. Okay, so we take a character variable ch, and where we extract the character using the caret method, and each character is extracted and it is checked whether it is in uppercase or lowercase or not. So here we are using the uppercase method, is uppercase method of character wrapper class. So character dot is uppercase, and we have passed ch as an argument, and if this condition is true then u plus plus. And similarly I have just copied the method from above, and I have written here character dot is lowercase ch. If it is lowercase, then it will be l plus plus. Here we close the loop, and if the number of characters of uppercase and lowercase, if u and l are equal and they are not zero also, they should not be zero, it means that uppercase and lowercase must be present in the string. So that's why I have put the condition if u is equal to l, and u should not be equal to 0, and l should also not be equal to 0. If these all three conditions are true at a time, then this kind of string will be considered as super spy string. So we put here message super spy string. And else, if one of the condition is false, let's write here not a super spy string. Okay, and then we put the semicolon, and after that let's go for the compilation. Variable is not initialized, so we put here u equal to 0. Class compiled, no syntax error. Let's run the program. Void main, enter a string ABCD. It is a super string. Okay, super spy string. Enter another string 1 2 3 4, no alphabets, it's not a super string. Let's re-execute once more, and let's enter another string where we are randomly putting some capital and small letters, and what do you find? It is also not a super spy string.